Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Moka fees. The straightforward answer to whether Moka is free is no. Moka is an investment app that charges fees. It operates on a flat fee monthly subscription model for its investment services. It's important to understand the different fee structures that may apply. First, there is a flat monthly subscription fee to use the Moka app. This fee can vary depending on the specific plan you choose, which may include different features like basic investing or premium services with financial coaching. Historically, these fees have ranged from a lower tier to a higher tier per month. This flat fee covers the management of your portfolio, regardless of how much money you have invested. Second, like most investment platforms, there are management expense ratio, MER, fees for the underlying investments. Moka invests your money into exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These ETFs have their own internal operating costs, known as the MER. These are not fees Moka collects, but are charged by the fund providers themselves, and they apply no matter where you invest in those specific ETFs. Moka's MER fees are typically on the low end, ranging from approximately 0.09% to 0.40% depending on the portfolio. In summary, Moka is not a free service. You pay a predictable, flat monthly subscription fee directly to Moka for the service, and you also indirectly pay the small, built-in operating costs of the ETFs in your portfolio, known as the MER. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.